Fancy a burger? Yes, you can with our famous guilt-free Slimming World burger in a bowl recipe. It has all the flavour you're craving, from tender beef to crunchy pickles, and is smothered in the world's greatest burger sauce. Start off by frying the lean minced beef over a high heat. Remember, it needs to be 5% fat or less to be free. Add 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves and fry for 7 to 8 minutes until the beef is cooked and the onions have softened. While that's cooking, here's how to make the special sauce. Simply mix everything together . Add a couple of splashes of water and whisk. Then divide your favourite salad between 4 bowls, top with the beef mixture and the sauce, and dive in.